Hey Sarah, how are you doing?
Hi, Ben. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great, thanks. So, what's your favorite food?
Oh, I absolutely love pizza. It's so delicious.
Pizza is amazing. What toppings do you usually go for?
I like cheese, pepperoni, and mushrooms. What about you?
I'm a pizza fan too, but my absolute favorite is spaghetti.
Spaghetti is delicious. Do you prefer it with tomato sauce?
Yes, I love it with tomato sauce and plenty of cheese on top.
That sounds really tasty. I also enjoy spaghetti with tomato sauce.
Have you ever tried spaghetti with meatballs?
No, I haven't, but it sounds really good.
It's fantastic. We should definitely go to an Italian restaurant sometime.
That sounds like a great idea, Ben. I'd love to.
Awesome. What other types of food do you enjoy?
Well, besides pizza and spaghetti, I also love burgers and fries.
Burgers are the best. I usually have mine with lettuce and ketchup.
That sounds delicious. I like mine with cheese and pickles.
We seem to have similar tastes in food, Sarah.
Yes, it looks like it. What's your favorite dessert?
I'm a huge fan of ice cream, especially chocolate and vanilla.
Ice cream is so good. I like it too, especially with sprinkles.
We should definitely go out for ice cream sometime.
I would love that, Ben. Ice cream is always a good idea.
Absolutely. I'm getting hungry just talking about all this food.
Me too. Let's make plans to go out soon.
Sounds like a plan, Sarah. I can't wait to try out some new dishes with you.
Me neither, Ben. It's going to be so much fun.